The rate at which men consume hard drugs or exposing themselves to hard drugs in order to gain stamina, in order to have, or in order to last longer, as people may say, in bed is what is going to increase or promote the high rate of infertility in the future. All right, so in the next 2 minutes, let's look at all these drugs we call penile enhancement or penile enlargement products, or we call it penis enlargement. Now, what you have to understand concerning this drug is that, or for the man, is that impregnating a woman is more complex than it looks. Because for you to impregnate a woman, first of all, you need to have a particular number of sperm cells in one ejaculate. And the next thing is that you need to have sperm cells which are made up of a head and a tail. You need to have sperm cells which are in a linear progression. Now, as a man, you have to understand that there are two hormones which are responsible for production of sperm cells and maturation of sperm cells. Now, as a man also, you have to understand that the fact that you ejaculate doesn't mean there are sperm cells in that ejaculate, because there are scenarios of men claiming they ejaculated into a woman and claiming the baby. Meanwhile, they have or they are suffering from low sperm counts or dead sperm cells. Now, when you expose yourself to those drugs, we call them penis enlargement. You still want to last longer, and most often these drugs or the marketers of these particular products have low or little or no knowledge of what these drugs does at hormonal levels. Now, when you consume this drug, there's high probability of this drug stopping the production of the hormone that is going to mature your sperm cell. So you may have very immature sperm cells or abnormal sperm cells, or tend not to have the correct number of sperm cells. Now, don't forget, there are men who have sperm cells, but those sperm cells are dead. There are men who have sperm cells, and those sperm cells are not motor. They may be alive, but not motor. There are men who have sperm cells, but those sperm cells are abnormal. All those cases, those are cases of people who have altered hormonal concentration. And one of the causes of these things are those drugs that they expose themselves to. And now also that particular drug in question can also stop the production of sperm cells. But it doesn't mean you won't ejaculate. You ejaculate, but there will be no sperm cell in it. So exposing yourself to this drug as a man, you are vying in for infertility in the future. So please make sure you stay away from this drug. If you must develop your desired results, make sure you see a therapist, as their medical procedures wherein these results can be achieved or obtained. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe.